This customer came all the way from the Netherlands for their upgrades here at Paramount Performance. Why? Because real expertise, proper service and attention to detail is what we do, and it's worth travelling for. We know how much these cars matter to the people that own them, so every upgrade has to be done properly with care, precision and experience behind it. This is what brings customers to us from across the UK and further and beyond. And honestly, once you hear this exhaust, you'll understand why exactly. Just listen to this. That sound says it all. Paramount Performance, trusted by enthusiasts who want the job done right.